welcome back. Am I the only one who has never heard of Summerween? My goodness, what a cute idea. So I decided to make this card. I think it turned out really good. We're going to use the Hero Arts Ghoul thing. They're clear stamps. I also have the coordinating dies. They are super cute. Scrapbook.com if you want to pick up a set. I have a little strip of ribbon that I picked up from Michael's. We're also going to be using Scrapbook.com Sweet Boo pattern paper. And if you have any scraps you want to make your own, this will be the perfect card to use up all your scraps. I also have a few markers that I selected. My Misty, of course. Barely Art Glue. Let's get started. Alright, so to get started, we're going to use the 110-pound cardstock. This is Recollections brand. I got it from Michael's. It was on sale this week, so I may or may not have stocked up a little bit. So you'll take one sheet of that. You'll put it on your scoreboard, 8.5 side. You're going to score it at 4 1/4. And this is helpful if you want to do batch card making. You can score it once, cut it once, and you'll get 2 cards from it. So let me get my paper trimmer. We're going to put it in at 5 1/2. Cut it. Now we have 2 card bases. Let's fold this over. So we'll just take this, line it up on the corners, press it down, crease it good. There's your card base. And you can save this one for the next card. So for this card, I am going to put it on a panel. I'm going to put the actual panel on the card base. I'm using Recollections brand 65-pound weight cardstock. And for the panel, I'm going to cut it 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. So I'll line it up at 5 3/8. Turn it in 4 1/8. And then I'll lay all my pattern paper on top of that. Then the card base will go on that, just like that. All right. So like I said earlier, this project is great for scraps. We are just going to go through and pick out a couple pages that we would like. And we will cut 6 1-inch strips. So let me go through, find the pages I want, and I'll be right back. All right, so there you have it. We're just going to trim off the back. You'll just need to line this up with your trimmer. The first cut is always the hardest. Just line that up, adjust it if you need to. Then you'll have your perfect cut, and then you can line it up along the top, and it's quick and easy from there. Just keep lining it up, turning it. And that's all there is to it. Next up, we are going to stamp. So I have my Misty out, my Memento ink, and we are going to be using Hero Arts Ghoul Things clear stamps. These are absolutely adorable. So let's open these up. You'll just place these on the paper. The smooth side goes up. So we'll get that one, and we'll get the cute little sentiment. Close the Misty, and then it will attach to the front, just like that. You'll get your Memento ink. Just lightly tap on the stamp. Close the door. Press it. Adjust your paper again, and we're going to restamp it. That was much better. Beautiful stamps. All right, we're going to take this to the die cutting machine. Well, first we're going to clean our stamps. Just a little stamp cleaner and a rag, and we'll get these cleaned up. Let that dry. Now we will get our die cutting machine, and I'll be right back. All right, so I have my die cutting machine out. This is the Gemini 2. It's super nice. It's not a crank style. I have one of those. It is awesome, but some days my hands don't feel so great, so this one is perfect for me. I have my cutting dies ready to go, my cutting plates. So I'm just going to line this up. I'm going to use a little washi tape to hold it down. Grab this die and line it up. You could also use pixie tape. That works great. But if you don't have any and you're in a pinch like I am today, washi tape will do. Set this to the side. Put our top plate on. And we will run it through the machine. And as you can see, it cuts out beautiful. All right, let's get some markers out and get these colored. So next you'll just take your ribbon. It's about 6 1/2, 7 inches or so. Put some tape runner on the back. And then line it up so you can tuck it under. Press it down. That looks good. And then we are going to cut just a little bit off. Press it down. That's cute. Take some more tape runner. And then we're just going to put it on the front of our card. That looks nice. And then I'm going to pop up the die cut and the sentiment. So let's do that real quick. And we can call this card done. So let me know what you think. Beautiful little card. Perfect for Summerween. Thank y'all for joining me today. Let me know if you have any ideas on future projects. I'd love to hear them. Until next time, bye.